Namaste everyone, I am Prantika. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 Indian brands, small businesses and Instagram stores which I actually wear in my day-to-day life and are better alternatives of Shein. So let's be hashtag vocal for local. This video might be a little longer, so I will suggest you to grab some coffee or any of your favorite beverages with some snacks, and please watch it till the end because I'm going to reveal my current favorite shopping online destination. Starting with number 5, The Sold Store. They have a good collection of t-shirt dresses, joggers, and oh my god, the t-shirt dresses have pockets in them. Yes, pockets. Woohoo! They are cute, funky, and super comfortable. You can wear it inside your house and outside your house as well. You can wear them day and night both the time. And just dress, just wear right accessories with your t-shirt dresses and you're going to rock it. This is what we expect from a t-shirt dress, right? They are pretty affordable and also available for men. Therefore, let's shop from locals. I so wanted to mention local shops in this video because because of the arrival of online shopping, we are somewhere forgetting our local shops. If you go to that stores, you will find some good clothing items. I'm telling you seriously, because they know what customers nowadays want, and they manufacture their clothes like that only. So if you dig in a bit, I think you will get your choice or your preference, whatever you have. You can also support small businesses which we normally see in Facebook run by group of women or men. You can even see around your house or locality that there are women or men who sell clothes sitting at their home. You can definitely support these kind of small businesses. Number 3, jewelries from Instagram stores. Now I definitely want to mention locals and also few Instagram stores like Oshri Accessories, the KK store, and etc. etc. Till now I've seen only Oshri Accessories and KK store. I believe there are some other stores as well. If you know any one of them, then please comment down below. I'll definitely. Now, while I was scrolling down, what I found that these stores have an amazing collection of both ethnic earrings and Western earrings. And you know what I found? I found a beautiful shell earring in, I believe, the KK store, and also I found a similar looking of shell earring in Shein as well. So you get the whole picture, right? Number 4 is my favorite, you can say, is Myntra. Yes, we cannot forget about Myntra, right? Everyone knows about Myntra. In Myntra, you will find varieties of Indian brands like Roadster, who have amazing collection of jeans, t-shirts, tops. For men also you will find. Myntra's collection, their return policy, discounts, everything is so good. You'll find many Indian brands there like Roadster. For ethnic wear, they have Anuke and other brands also. Then they have a Dressberry with really good collection. Then they have Harpa, Libas, Chumbak, Hausa Patori, etc., etc., etc. Myntra is definitely my second most favorite online shopping destination. अब और इनके बारे में क्या बताऊँ? Number one, my most current favorite is Ajio. Just need to check out the app. Literally, I'm telling you, it has a really, really, really good collection of both ethnic wear and western wear, and I have found some clothes which not exactly, which matches almost teen outfits. You will love the app, I'm telling you guys, and that's why it has become my most current favorite. And I believe I'm gonna shop a lot from Ajio. They are running sales, I guess. Clothes which I have bought, I will definitely post pictures wearing the outfits in my Instagram. If you are not following me, my Instagram ID is Prantika Das. Ajio have Indian homegrown brands like DNMX, Iba, Rio. Please check out the collection of Rio. You will love it. They have amazing collection of tops, small dresses. Literally, the Rio brand is good. Reliance Trend, Indie, DNMX, which is I think a brand of Reliance Trends only, and many more. Pantaloons is also there, etc., etc. You just need to check the app, okay? They have not paid me to say this. I personally love the app so much. That's why I'm telling you, and that's why I kept it in number one. And since we are finding alternatives of Shein, I guess Ajio is somewhere close to the competition of Shein, especially Ajio's brand. Ajio's Rio brand, you will find some really good clothes there. Now, whether Shein is coming or not coming, that is going to be a complete different story. We need to support our local homegrown brands. I hope I have helped you in your next online shopping. If yes, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And in case you like this kind of content, then definitely give a like and share and comment down below. I would love to know your feedback, and subscribing this channel definitely means a lot. Till then, stay safe and stay home. Bye.